media. Yes, man.
Wagwan people, long time I see you. Big up on yourself, stick and stay. Me come for just present this to you. Me know the whole heap of long talking. 100,000 subscribers will reach on this, the main channel.
Oh my God.
Big up on yourself, thank you for your support over the years. Me do want to present it to you first before me bust it anywhere else. Because you don't deserve it. I feel you have to see it first. If you don't want to see the unboxing video now, you can check out the vlog channel. I'm going to put the link in the description and the link will also be in the comment section. Okay? That is all I got to say. Let's get to the video. Dancehall is full of stars. We have the supernova stars. The rising stars.
You know, reckonably?
That is not a word. Reckonably is not a word.
That's what it is.
And then we have the newborn stars. Kinda.
P-side. Hey, you know E.G. the girl them going crazy for me.
This is one of those songs and videos that you can't help but laugh at. But at the same time, in the back of your mind, you are pre-say, you know, say that song you might bust. It might bust.
P-side.
Alright, maybe bust are too much. It might pop.
P-side.
Papa still too much? Alright, it might deflate, like, you know, like when you blow up a balloon and let it go. That might happen to it.
Hey, you know E.G. the girl them going crazy for me. Priceless, the girl them like me. She love for me lively.
People, me not gonna go along on hypocrite, you know. This song catchy. B-side. B-side. You know, it catchy.
B-side.
Wanna say remixing?
Cheese fries.
Peas rice. Tree mice. Here lies.
Hey, you know E.G. the girl them going crazy for me.
You ever see some girls in our music video and you wonder what them do to get them girls in our music video? Like what they could have really tell them girls to get them in our music video? Me now wonder that, but they want them in another one.
Hey, me ever clean and tidy. The girl them no want avoid me.
You serious?
2037, look out for E.G.
P-side.
Speaking of lookout, and two youth here lookout, probably for your boss. But we want to know where them are listen to. The new E.G. perhaps?
P-side. Hey, you know E.G.
People, me and my brethren them now share no earphones while we are listening to no wind-up song. That nah guan.
No, the kid never that.
If you are gonna use earphones to listen wind-up song, you do it like this, man. Listen to it by yourself.
Friday was a bat in the bed, and I'm in the road. So we don't care. Me not gonna
You see, sometime if you don't know the words,
she never did man it out there. She never did no fair. Hey. Bobby never did it up top boss.
I better you just lock your mouth.
But when I it's a meter task.
Maybe he turn up the volume too much, so what he thinks he's hearing is not what the mouth is saying.
It's a man there when you stand there talk, sir. Turning them in the north in it from your talk, sir.
Shut up your mouth, man.
While we are talking about mouth, you have to know if you quick with it and know if you switch it up. You should be able to speak and match the company of those around you. Here is a demonstration of how to do so.
That's how we do. That's how we do. That's how we do. Prepare to see a look at the
People want to know this say the man did not go full out hardcore dancehall.
That's how we do. Prepare to see a look at the
What an authoritative figure show up and him have to switch up the message. I don't know, but you see teachers is It's like as soon as you decide to become a teacher, you just get a little gift of sneaking up on students. You don't know where they come from, then just pop up out of nowhere when ranks are going. Just as the antics ready to get intense, you see them. I'm telling you what I like about that video. The students, them never sell him out. Them just join in a group thing. That is how you support your peers.
So reckonably.
You want to know why you support your peers? Because sometimes they barely have the balance to sturdily support themselves.
Devin, you know what?
That the one day you call the hip hop. Because she lick up her hip, and when the time she walk, she have to go hop.
Devin, you know what?
Them dead.
She drop too fast though.
Devin, you know what?
That need a second. We need a slower, more dramatic drop. You see, after the first 2 dips, if she did stop, she would have win. But she go for the 3rd dip. She go for the 3rd dip. And that, people, was the dip of destruction. This deserves a nursery rhyme remix. Make we flippy Humpty Dumpty then. Sandra take 2 dips. She went for the 3rd, but the dip never stick. She dropped her ground flat and couldn't get up again. So she end up having to get help from all of the people there. People, after all what just gone, the brother here on the ground still fast asleep. Somebody need to check his pulse to see if he's alive. But before I check his pulse, somebody can help me understand what really are going here, so. Papa Jesus! That the pelvic region, plain and simple, crush.
What is going on here?
You know, so we can bet say she not come from Jamaica. Yeah, we see the Jamaican flag, but you don't notice when we there Jamaica, we Jamaicans don't walk around with the Jamaican flag. And people who come from foreign, when them come here, them buy them Jamaican flag and walk around with it. I know Jamaica she come from. Jamaican woman no wine and crush out man straight out so. You know, them have to put like a finesse for them thing. Them have to go flip off or somewhere drop in their pelvic region. She just run up and jump on them and she just go full on crushing. You know what? I'm sure you know something else that is crushed. Not the apple. More like the skull. And upon bikes alone, if you wear helmets, you know if you wear it any and everywhere. In a situation like this, it is perfectly applicable.
No, I laugh, I can't laugh.
But you see, when you fool, not even helmets can help you. Two things in our life me stay far away from. Bike and people when I beat.
From this week start dog, I one time beat and I was Monday morning dog.
Nah, go around there, brother.
Rest of morning and I'm just scared, but I'm just wipe out me and my wipe out my balls, man. Fling on the crew and come here, man.
Based on how his sentence was structured, this sound like it'll go into Wednesday, Thursday. So on a no say, he ripe.
So reckonably.
Unless he did a wipe down with alcohol.
Just scared, but I'm just wipe out me and my wipe out my balls.
Wipe no really kill bacteria. Yeah man, you have to beard with soap, water, and them two there.
Yeah, but you know, they are nasty boy. You know me as a kid, I can school where I come get you one man. Yeah, babe come to the man for.
The man say nah beard because sit down beside the man. He may have a point, but you're not supposed to have beard for please man. You're supposed to beard for personal reasons. That's why it is called personal hygiene.
Good hygiene, brother.
Good hygiene. The hygiene.
You don't come from planet Earth.
Keep yourself clean. The talk about because you go beside man, you're not beard.
Unreckonably.
Now when all them are youth you sit down beside you on bus, there is only one way to ask him nicely to get from beside you. No fee beard. Anyways, that is it people. But before me cut, this I mean say reaction videos they back on the channel here. Me just have to bring you know a little special thing because me carry you know YouTube platform you right? If you want to see reaction videos, they're over on K2K extra channel. That channel, as me say, is for reaction videos and other things. That's why I call it K2K extra. Those are for extra ideas that I have. But this a channel I know. This channel is just for skits, pranks, and what else? Me might drop something else me don't know yet. But the K2K, that's how I'm gonna get to the main dose of reaction videos. For those who never know, you can go subscribe over there so that's how I get to the main dose of reaction videos. That channel here, skits, pranks, something else. K2K extra, reaction videos, maybe some out in the street thing cause me get the mic now so me can go out in the street, go mingle with the people, them type of something. It is coming. I start drop back skits over here so big up on yourself. I thank you for all our support man. We get the YouTube plaque. 100,000. I could make our way to what? 500,000 or a million is the next one. Slowly I climb up there, you know? Put in the work for it. Thank you again. Thanks for your videos and your video suggestions. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it. Beehive. Beehive. Piece of thing right there. I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, I'm gonna slap in it. Alright, there we go. Christ. Jesus Christ. A B C D E G G H I J K E G G E G do G G. Screen by your toe for the love you no girl. Screen by your toe for the love you no girl. Why? Party on this. White no really kill back.